Hey guys, it's Bree the Coupon Queen and welcome to my channel. Time for our Walgreens haul for today. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. My channel is all about saving money, different deals, coupons, where you guys can get the best items at the cheapest price each week. So today we're at Walgreens. Couple tips before I head inside. Make sure you check your accounts, your digital coupons. There's a ton of great boosters. I posted them on my Instagram and my Facebook, also on the community tab on YouTube. I did get a beauty booster. So we may have a beauty event going on Thursday, Friday, and Saturday of this week because it says it expires on the 7th. So when I go inside, I'll see if I can ask them if they are having a beauty event, see if I can grab that flyer for you and give you any updates or information on that. There also is a free 8x10 from Walgreens. You can either do it on the app or from the website on your desktop computer or laptop computer. I also posted that on my Instagram. If you don't follow me yet on Instagram, my link is below. It's just Bree the Coupon Queen. Make sure you guys follow me there. Any other updates or, quick deals or anything like that, I try to post it on my Instagram if it's not enough to do a video on. So for additional deals and things like that, make sure you head over there and follow me. The code is FREEMARCH. It does end tomorrow, so that's why I wanted to get this video out as soon as I possibly could. Make sure you enter that in for a free 8x10, which is awesome. I also have a digital booster when you do 6 trips, which is in essence 6 transactions. Spending $10 or more, you'll get 5,000 points back. So I've had a couple questions on that when I posted that booster. It is per transaction, and it's $10 after IVC coupons and before digital coupons. So one scenario someone asked me about is, can they do the Scott paper product deal where you would buy 2, it would be $10, use the coupons in the IVC booklet, but that won't work because after the IVC coupons, which is a Walgreens coupon, you're down to only $7.50. So to do that deal to get as close to $10 as possible, what you could do is pick up 2 Scott products, the Palmolive, which is 99 cents, and the Purex, which is $1.99. Then after the IVC coupons, you're still above $10. Then the digital coupons come off, pay the rest out of pocket, or you can use some register rewards, and that way it will track towards that. So I also was asked if you can use points. Last time I did this, I used points and it still worked. So if you have that booster, typically the Catalina will print after every transaction, letting you know how many more trips you have to get to that booster of getting on your account. And mine is 6 transactions, get 5,000 points back. So make sure you're checking your accounts, see what digital boosters you guys have, and clip them now. They will disappear if enough people clip them and send them to their account. So you want to make sure you don't miss out on that. So today I'm just going to be doing 2 transactions to get back as many register rewards as possible so we can use that for some of the spend boosters later on. So let's head inside and check out all these deals. Okay, so the first deal we're gonna do, I've been seeing it posted that when you buy any Revlon product, you get an $8 Catalina coupon on your next Revlon purchase. So the cheapest item to buy is going to be these Revlon Kiss Balms here. They are $4.99 at my store. So I'm going to go ahead and pick up this one and add this to my transaction. No coupons or anything for it, so you would pay this out of pocket. And I will let you guys know at the end if that $8 Catalina prints. So let's go grab our next items. The next deal we're going to pick up is going to be on the Garnier Whole Blends. So we're going to pick up 2 of these. They're on sale for $7. You're going to use this digital coupon for $4 off 2. Now they also have a $1 off 1 in the IVC coupon booklet. So make sure you clip that and send it to your card, or you can pick up the actual IVC booklet at the front of the store. That'll take off an additional $2 because it's for $1 each. Final cost is going to be $1 for both, or just 50 cents each. And the $7 will track towards Walgreens Beauty. So I'm going to add this to my cart. So this deal I'm the most excited about. We haven't had a good deal on Olay body wash in quite a while. So the deal is they're on sale 2 for $12. And when you buy 2, you're going to get a $5 register reward. So I'm going to pick up 2 of these. They're my favorite. we have this $2 off 2 digital coupon, or you can use 2 $1 coupons from the March P&G. So there's no limit to this. So if you in essence wanted to do it twice, once you can do it in one transaction with the digital coupon, the next transaction you can do it with those 2 paper coupons. So you'll pay $10, get back the $5 register reward. Final cost is $5 for 2, or just $2.50 each. Definitely a really great price point, especially for Olay. If you need some dish soap, this is another great deal for you. So the large bottles are on sale for just $1.99, which is a good price point. But these smaller bottles right here are on sale for just 99 cents, which is saving you 30 cents right there, because typically they're $1.29. Then we're gonna use this 25-cent digital coupon. Final cost is just 74 cents. A great deal this week on laundry detergent is on the Purex. So there's a couple different kinds that you can get. You can also get the free and clear. It is 33 loads. They're on sale for just $1.99. And as you can see, it says you're already saving $4 because normal price, they're $5.99. Now you can use this $1 off 1 digital coupon. Final cost is gonna be just 99 cents. We did get some dollar coupons in the 3-1 inserts. So if you wanted to do the deal a few times, you can, but of course, just be conscientious. Don't clear out the shelf so everyone can get a chance for this great deal. The next deal we're gonna do is on the Scott products. So these are always $5. They're printed right there. They are on sale, and we have a $1.25 coupon in that IVC coupon booklet. Again, there is the digital version. So we're also gonna clip this $1 off 1 digital coupon. I'm gonna pick up 2 of these on scottbrand.com. You can also print off a $1 off 1 coupon. So final cost is gonna be just $2.75 each. Make sure also you scan your receipt to fetch rewards. Scott is a bonus item. And the last deal in my first transaction is going to be picking up some Fruit Loops. So my boyfriend's daughter loves Fruit Loops. So we're gonna pick up this one here. It's on sale just $1.99. Now, go to your coupon folder. You can clip this 50-cent off 1 digital coupon. Final cost is $1.49. Product deal we're gonna do is on the Cottonelle. So the 12 equals 24 rolls is half off right now. Typically, it is $9.99. It's on sale for just $4.99. So right there, an amazing deal. When you go on scottbrand.com, you can print this 55-cent off coupon. So you're gonna pay $4.44 out of pocket. Then you're gonna submit your receipt to Ibotta, and you're gonna get back a $1 rebate. So we're gonna get a $1 cash back for the Cottonelle toilet paper. If you're new to Ibotta, my code is listed below. Also, I have a video out for how to use the Ibotta Rebate app. I will link it below, as well as at the end of this video. If you're new to Ibotta, you can check out that video. It shows you exactly what to do so you can get some amazing bonuses and rebates back. So after the $1 back on this, final cost is gonna be just $3.44, which is amazing because regular price at Walgreens, these are $9.99. Now it's time for some oral care deals. So again, we want to make sure we're trying to stock up on as many register rewards as possible so we can use those spend boosters. So first one we're going to do is Colgate, on sale $3.99. Buy 2, get a $4 register reward. So let's pick up this one here, and it's buy 2. So we'll just pick up 2 of these Colgate total. We're going to use this one $2 digital coupon, and we're going to use the 75-cent coupon that you can print from Colgate.com. So ignore that it's all crazy. I spilt an entire jug of water on my purse this morning, so I had to dump out my whole purse, and all my coupons got wet. I had to try to dry them. It was just a mess of a day. So anyways, we're gonna pay, sorry, I'm all off track here. Total is gonna be $7.98. We're gonna take off $2.75. So you're gonna pay, what, $5.25, I believe, out of pocket. All the right math will be in the printable breakdown. Then we're gonna get back this $4 register reward. So not a bad deal for some Colgate. Sometimes we can get them completely free, but we are trying to stock up on those register rewards, so not a bad deal. The next one we're going to do is on the Crest. So if you have the $2 coupons from the March P&G, I already used mine. I don't have any additional. What you do is use a $2 digital and your $2 from the March P&G. That would make it a way, way better deal. But like I said, I don't have those. So what I'm gonna do is pick up 2 of these. So they're on sale for $3.99. There is this $3 off 2 digital coupon. So you're gonna wind up paying 98. I can't do the math in my head right now. Do I have it written down? Yes, 3 off 2 digital coupon. You'll pay $4.98 out of pocket, get back a $3 register reward. So final cost is going to be 99 cents each. So we definitely get Crest for cheaper than that, but I need that register reward. So I'm gonna add this to my cart. Let's go check out. I'll let you guys know how that trip bonus works as far as tracking. Okay, so we're back in from Walgreens. I haven't checked my receipts yet to see if all of the digital coupons came off. I think they did. Anyway, I did 2 different transactions, and the Catalina showing me how many trips I have left didn't print for both transactions. So one transaction I paid with points, one transaction I made sure it was at least $10 out of pocket, I think. Oh, but then there was taxes. I'm not sure. You know how Walgreens is also crazy, but it didn't print on either of the transactions. So I'm not quite sure if you can pay with points or not, but I wanted to go over my transactions with you guys. Always check Ibotta for any item rebates. I had a 25-cent any body wash rebate. It didn't work on the Olay for some reason, so I'll have to submit that to Ibotta for them to give me back the 25 cents. I had a 10-cent rebate for any item at all. Then I had a 25-cent rebate on any lip product, and we got that Revlon Lip Balm. The $8 coupon did print. So let me show you that. Bam. $8. Definitely go to Walgreens if you don't do anything else. Just pick up that Revlon Lip Balm. My store was $4.99. So you'd pay $4.99 plus taxes and get back an $8 coupon, which makes it pretty much a moneymaker. So this is $8 on your next purchase of Revlon or Almay. So just keep that in mind. It's not like $8 any item coupon like a normal register reward is. So let's go over my receipts. I got the Olay, I got the Whole Blends, the Palmolive, the Kellogg's, Purex, the 2 Scott paper towels, which were $10. The IVC coupon, she had one up at the register, so I just had her scan it because I don't have much service in this Walgreens, and I didn't remember if I had tagged or not tagged, clipped that IVC coupon. So I just had her scan it, and then the Revlon Kiss Balm. So the $1 off Scott came off, $4 manufacturer coupon. I don't know what that is. Oh, that maybe that's for the Whole Blends? I don't know. Olay, the 2 off 2 digital coupon. The Scott $1 digital coupon. Purex, the $1 came off. Kellogg's, the 50 cents came off. And Purex, the 25 cents came off. And I think that's all the coupons. How exciting. So all the coupons came off at Walgreens, which is kind of weird. Usually we have issues at Walgreens and not CVS, but this week I've had issues at CVS and not Walgreens. So what can you do? Anytime there's a bunch of technology involved, sometimes it gets a little crazy. So the final was $24.71. I did roll $20 in points, so 20,000 points. I paid $7.11 out of pocket. I did get back the $5 register reward for the Olay. Show that to you guys. $5 register reward for the Olay. And I think that was it. I did submit my receipt to Fetch Rewards. I got 75 points back for the Scott products. There is a bonus right now. If you buy 1 Scott paper towel and 1 Scott toilet paper, you would get an additional bonus. I bought 2 of the toilet papers because I'm running out of, paper towels. I bought 2 of the paper towels because I'm running low on those, so that's why I did 2 paper towels. But with that IVC coupon for the Scott products, it goes all month long. So I'll definitely be buying some toilet paper, submitting it to Fetch, and getting that bonus. So everything on this one worked well. The second receipt for the second transaction, I did the Cottonelle. I submitted it to Ibotta. I got the $1 back, which is awesome. I did the Cottonelle. What a great deal though. For 12 rolls of toilet paper, we got it for $3.44. Like, it just blows my mind sometimes how great couponing is. The Crest, I got 2 of them, and the Colgate, I got 2 of them. So we have the 75-cent Colgate that I had printed, the Cottonelle, the 55-cent that I had printed, the Crest 3 off 2, the Colgate Total, we had that $2 digital, and this manufacturer coupon is a register reward. So my subtotal was $9.65 plus tax. I just used 1,000 points. Paid $10.01 out of pocket. Oh, I just turned my wipers on. Awkward. $10.01 out of pocket. I got back the $3 register reward for the Crest, $4 register reward for the Colgate, and $1 back for the Cottonelle, which was awesome. So everything went well. I'm very happy about that. The manager wasn't in to let me know about that beauty. If there is a beauty promotion going on, a beauty event on Thursday, I'm not sure. But typically the only time we get those digital boosters is when there is an event. So when I find out, I will let you guys know. I'm gonna try to either call the store or come back to the store tomorrow at lunch, because I know the beauty consultant does work on Tuesdays, so I can ask her and, I just can't today. I can ask her and try to get that paper booster for you guys, and I will post it on the community post it on my Instagram and my Facebook as well. If you don't follow me yet, again, make sure you follow me. Give the video a big thumbs up for me. That way YouTube will put it out there a little more so everyone can enjoy these great savings. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time.